In this video, we're going to be focusing on rounding numbers. When we're rounding numbers, we're asking ourselves what number that number is closest to. In terms of rounding to the nearest whole number, we're asking ourselves what whole number is that number closest to. Here I've drawn part of a number line. So we're going to be focusing on numbers between 3 and 4. We can see that 3.5 is the middle value between 3 and 4. We can say that 3.5 is the cutoff point. Any value between 3 and 3.5 will round down to 3. Any value, including 3.5 to 4, will round up to 4 as the nearest whole number. Let's start by looking at the first question. Round 3.7 to the nearest whole number. So on the number line, we can see that 3.7 is around here. Therefore, since it's greater than 3.5, we can round it to 4 as the nearest whole number. The next question says, round 3.8 to the nearest whole number. Since 3.8 is located here on the number line, it's greater than 3.5, and therefore closest to 4. So we round 3.8 to 4 as the nearest whole number. The next question says, round 3.3 to the nearest whole number. Since 3.3 is located here, it's less than 3.5. So this time, the answer would round down to 3 as the nearest whole number. The final question says, round 3.1 to the nearest whole number. Since 3.1 is located here on the number line, and it's lower than 3.5, the answer would once again round down to 3 as the nearest whole number. Let's try answering these first 5 questions. When we're rounding to the nearest whole number, we need to focus on the number just after the decimal point. If that number is 5 or above, we round the original number up. If not, we keep it the same. So in the first question, 5.74, we need to focus on the number 7. Since 7 is greater than 5, the original number would round up to 6. In the second question, 6.93, we need to focus on the number 9. Since 9 is once again greater than 5, we would round up 6.93 to 7. In the third question, 4.34, we need to focus on the number 3. Since 3 is lower than 5, we keep 4 the same, so we round it to 4. In question 4, 5.62, we focus on the number 6. Since 6 is greater than 5, we round up 5.62 to 6. In question 5, 7.54, we need to focus on the number 5. Since the number is 5, we therefore round up 7.54 to 8. Now you can try questions 6 to 10 on your own and then check your answers. Hopefully you've had a chance to answer these questions. Here are the answers. Now let's look at rounding numbers to the nearest 10. When we're rounding numbers to the nearest 10, we need to focus on the units column. So in the first question, 54, we need to focus on the number 4. Since that number is lower than 5, we round down the original number to 50. In the next question, 187, we need to focus on the number 7. Since 7 is greater than 5, we round up our original number to 190. In the third question, 1033, we need to focus on the 3 in the units column. Since 3 is lower than 5, we round down the number to 1030. Now try the next 3 questions on your own and check your answers. Here are the answers to the final 3 questions. Now let's look at rounding to the nearest 100. When we're rounding to the nearest 100, we need to focus on the tens column. So in question 1, 147, we need to focus on the number 4. Since 4 is lower than 5, we round down our original number to 100. In the next question, 6890, again we look at the tens column. In this case, we have 9. Since 9 is greater than 5, we round this number up to 6900. For the third question, we have 7937. We look at the tens column, and in this case we have 3. Since 3 is lower than 5, we round down this number to 7900. Have a go at the next 3 questions on your own, and then check your answers. Now let's round to the nearest 1000. When we're rounding to the nearest 1000, we need to focus on the hundreds column. So in the first question, 5789, we need to focus on the number 7. Since 7 is greater than 5, we round up the original number to 6000. For the second question, 89,456, we need to focus on the number 4. Since 4 is lower than 5, we round down our original number to 89,000. For the fourth question, 43,589, we need to focus on the number 5. Since this number is 5, we have to round up to 44,000. Now try the final 3 questions on your own and then check your answers. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment below.